Need to move money out of your Chime account? Let's walk through exactly how to do that step by step. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through how to withdraw money from your Chime account. And so first, open your Chime account and then tap this Move tab. And now all you have to do is look for the option that says transfer money with the graphics icon. All you have to do is tap on it, and now you are on the transfer money screen. You will see field asking how much money do you want, A from and A to account. Now normally this is used to transfer into Chime, but we are doing the opposite here. So tap the form fill and select your Chime account, and then tap to choose the external you want to send money to. If it's already linked, just tap it. If not, just scroll down and tap add a new account. It's super simple. For this example, we will choose an existing account, and then I'm going to enter an amount. Let's say it's $5. And once you enter the amount, and all you have to do is select this review. And on the review screen, you will see all the details, and it will let you know the transfer takes to 1 to 3 business days. And then all you have to do is click schedule. And just like that, the money is now on its way out of your Chime account. And that's how easy it is to withdraw from Chime. If this video helped you out, then like this video, comment down below, subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.